there and welcome to another Paper Haven Top Tips video, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about stamping blends. I'm not going to be doing any colouring with them because I have got a couple of videos with that technique if you have a little search back on my videos, but I just want to talk a little bit about the basics of the pens and what I use them for and just a little bit about them. So it's been, I would say, couple of years maybe since these were offered in the catalogue, and I'm going to go through the coloured ones first, talk about the coloured ones. Now at the moment until the 2nd of June you can order them in singles, okay, but from the new catalogue they'll be only orderable in a combo pack, and a combo pack means a dark and a light colour of each shade. So a dark and a light shade of each colour, probably I need to say. So this one's a dark Highland Heather, and then this is a light Highland Heather, okay. So they're going to be, in the UK, they're going to be £8.50 for the 2 pens in the combo pack. Now, we've really tried to make this easy for you, and if you look here, there's a picture of a brush nib, and then here's what we call a bullet nib. And then we've done a wider line and a narrower line, so you can work out which is which end. So that's the brush end. Both the lids are exactly the same, so don't worry about putting the wrong lid on the wrong side. These are alcohol markers, so they have got like an aroma to them when you open them. I would advise, do not leave the lids off because they will dry out. The alcohol will evaporate. So as soon as you finish colouring, put the lid back on. Don't leave the lid off one end and then be colouring with the other end. You know, pop the lid back on. Okay, so the pens work in exactly the same way, light and dark. They've got the brush end and the nib end. Okay, so they're the coloured pens. Now what I need to talk to you about is what ink to use. Now if you refer back to another video that I did explain about this, because these are an alcohol based pen colouring tool. We need to use a water based black ink, so that's where Memento comes in. And then I always use our thick Whisper White cardstock for colouring. So the other items in the Stampin' Blends inventory are another combo pack. These are individual at the moment, but from 3rd of June there will be a combo pack, and it's the bronze and the ivory. Now these are mostly used for skin tones. Sometimes I use this one for hair. The ivory one I use a lot for skin tone. These are older than this one. If you can see, the logo on the blends has slightly changed, so the one with the box around is the new logo. So I've had these ones and I'm still using them since I first got them, and they are going to be in a combo pack. So if you think you only need the ivory one, then I would order, or vice versa, then I would order them before the end of the 2nd of June. And then this one is called the Colour Lifter, and this is like a sort of clear pen. Again, it's got a brush end and a nib end, and if you do a little bit of colouring wrong and you get some ink in the wrong place, you can go over with this and it will pull the ink away. Or if you want to fade part of your image or have it paler, you can use the Colour Lifter, and that's another technique. So they are the blends. A little bit about the blends. Storing them, I always store mine flat like that, so I don't put them in a pot and have them stuck up like that. I like to store them flat so that the ink's not being tipped up to one end. This is a different ink to the ink in the ink pads and the refills, so these are not refillable. So once they run out, then you would need a new pen. But mine are doing great. I use them a lot in classes, and I don't really have many problems with them. So yeah, that is the Stampin' Blend. They are the Stampin' Blends. They're a little bit tricky to find in the catalogue because they haven't got their own specific page now. So you need to, I can't really show you inside of the catalogue still, even though some of you have got the catalogues. So if you've got a catalogue and you're watching this, then look on page 142 and 143, and they're in those charts and they're on the bottom row. And if there's a dash, it means we don't offer a blend in that colour, so we don't do them in all the colours. If there is a number, it means that or a code, 6-digit code, it means that we do offer a blend in those colours. And for example, in the brights, there's 10 colours in the brights and we offer it in 7 colours. In the neutrals, we offer them in 6 colours. In the regals, we offer them in 8 out of 10 colours. And in the subtles, we offer them in 8 out of 10 colours. So any more info, just drop me a message on here or get in touch with me and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions regarding Stampin' Blends. Thanks for watching. Bye.